Hey, this is Mike from Visible. Today we're going to show you how to use our formula builder, and in particular how to calculate customer acquisition costs from two different data sources. I'm already in the data sources section of this company. I already cheated a little bit and have some expense data brought in from a Google Sheet that I want to use. But what I want to do is get my new customers from Salesforce. I'll click connect here to authenticate with Salesforce and sign into my demo account here. And once we return to Visible, we'll be able to configure any of the metrics that we want to build and set up for my Salesforce account. For this, I want to bring in new customers from Salesforce. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll select my opportunity object here and call this new customers. For this, I want my close date to be the date field. And since it's just a count, I can leave it blank. If I wanted for a new customer deal value, I could select amount or whatever those respective values are. But for us, blank's going to be great. But I do want to make sure that I filter this for just my opportunities that have been closed won, as well as the new businesses. So I don't want any upsells or existing customers. So I'm going to go ahead and select new customers here, click continue. This will go query all of that historic data out of my Salesforce account automatically for me, and then every night bring those changes in. As those changes come in, we'll update the formula and all the data as well on Visible. So once you set it up, you really never have to set it up again. I'll click create formula here, and as mentioned, I want my customer acquisition cost. We'll give you the chance to select how frequently you want this to be displayed and tracked. Monthly is great for this example. I do want to change this though to a currency, and I want that to be in US dollars. We do have full currency support for any type of currency. And now I can start building that formula. For us, our customer acquisition costs will be all of our sales expenses, all of our marketing expenses divided by our new customer account. So I'll go ahead and select total marketing expenses, click the additional add sign here. I'll do all sales expenses. And I want to add an operator, so I want to divide this by our count of new customers. So let's see, new customers from Salesforce. And when you scroll down, you can see it gives you a little output of what the formula is going to be: total marketing expenses, total sales expenses, divided by new customers. I'll click save. This will automatically calculate that formula for me, give me some data points that I'm ready to go and start reporting on and visualizing. So I have those set up here already. I'm going to switch over to my dashboard just to chart these real quick for you. So we'll go and type in customer acquisition cost. Maybe I want to change this around, make this black, and I'll make this a area chart. I'll show the data labels to give an example. There we go, of each output, and maybe I want to call out why this was so low. Organic referrals were high. I'll add that there. I'll click save. And now we have customer acquisition costs brought in from my Google Sheet data, my Salesforce data, and representing it beautifully here on Visible. I can use this in updates, send it out, have it live in my dashboard. Hope you enjoy, and looking forward to having you jump in and play around with our formula builder.